Trust You presents How to Use the Art of Visualization to Boost Self-Confidence. Are you struggling with low self-confidence? Do you find it difficult to believe in yourself and your abilities? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with self-doubt, but there is a powerful tool you can use to help boost your self-confidence: visualization. Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image of a desired outcome. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals, improve your performance, and boost your confidence. Here are some tips on how to use visualization to boost your self-confidence. 1. Visualize yourself as confident. The first step in using visualization to boost your self-confidence is to visualize yourself as a confident person. Close your eyes and imagine yourself walking into a room with your head held high, smiling, and exuding confidence. See yourself interacting with others with ease, speaking with confidence, and expressing yourself clearly and assertively. 2. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself to help reinforce positive beliefs and behaviors. Use positive affirmations to help boost your self-confidence by repeating phrases like "I am confident," "I believe in myself," or "I am capable and competent." Say these affirmations to yourself daily, especially when you're feeling self-doubt or negative self-talk. 3. Imagine success. Visualization can also help you imagine success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself successfully completing a task or achieving a goal. See yourself feeling confident, proud, and satisfied with your accomplishments. This can help you build a sense of competence and self-efficacy, which can in turn boost your self-confidence. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that involves being present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It can help you develop a greater awareness of your thoughts and feelings, which can help you recognize when you're experiencing self-doubt or negative self-talk. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to observe these thoughts without getting caught up in them, which can help you build greater self-confidence. 5. Create a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images and words that represent your goals and desires. It's a powerful tool for visualization, as it helps you create a visual representation of what you want to achieve. Create a vision board that represents your goals and desires, and place it somewhere where you'll see it every day. This can help you stay focused on your goals and visualize your success, which can in turn boost your self-confidence. 6. Take action. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it's not enough on its own. To truly boost your self-confidence, you need to take action towards your goals. Use your visualization practice as a motivator and a guide, but also take concrete steps towards achieving your goals. This can help you build a sense of competence and mastery, which can in turn boost your self-confidence. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful tool for boosting self-confidence. By visualizing yourself as confident, using positive affirmations, imagining success, practicing mindfulness, creating a vision board, and taking action towards your goals, you can develop greater self-confidence and belief in yourself and your abilities. Give it a try and see how it can transform your life. If you like the video and you want to help the channel grow, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe to the channel by activating notifications, so you don't miss any news. Thanks for watching.